In today's video, I'll walk you through how to view supported exchanges for a coin on CoinGecko. Once the home page loads, move to the search bar at the top of the page. Type the name or ticker symbol of the cryptocurrency you want to check, then click on it from the search results to open its dedicated coin page. Once you're on the coin page, look around the main chart and information area. CoinGecko includes several tabs on a coin page, such as Overview, Markets, and sometimes other sections depending on the asset. To see where the coin is being traded, click on the Markets tab. CoinGecko's coin pages use this tab to display the full list of exchanges and market pairs available for that coin. After opening the Markets tab, you'll see a table listing the exchanges that currently support trading for that cryptocurrency. This table usually includes the exchange name, the trading pair, the coin's price on that market, trading volume, and sometimes additional market details depending on the listing. Start by looking at the exchange names in the table. These are the supported exchanges where the coin is currently traded according to CoinGecko's tracked market data. You can scroll through the list to see all available exchanges if the coin is listed on multiple platforms. Next, review the trading pair column. This shows how the coin is traded on each exchange, such as against USDT, BTC, ETH, or another cryptocurrency or stablecoin. If you're trying to find a specific way to trade the coin, this can help you identify which exchange offers the pair you want. You can also look at the market data shown in the table, such as price and trading volume. This helps you compare how active each exchange market is for that coin. If the page includes sorting tools, you can sort the list based on volume or other available columns to organize the markets differently. If you want more information about one of the exchanges, click the exchange name from the Markets table. CoinGecko may open that exchange's page where you can view more details about the platform and its trading activity. To check supported exchanges for another cryptocurrency, simply return to the search bar, open a different coin page, and repeat the same process by going to the Markets tab. And that's it. That's how to view supported exchanges for a coin on CoinGecko by opening the coin page, selecting the Markets tab, and reviewing the list of exchanges where that cryptocurrency is traded.